Hey friends, this is Mayank, founder of Archidev, and today we're going to talk about Swift basics. So our very first topic is how to create objects in Swift and what all kind of objects are there in Swift. So the first one we have is variable, that is called var, and the second one we have is constant, that is let. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, let's open Xcode and get started with the playground, and I'll take a blank playground, then next, and I'll give it a name, say my playground itself, and I'll click on next, and here we have our playground window. So let me introduce you with three major things we have here. Where you can see the code, you will see we need to write all our code here, and in the right window you will see the results of that code. So in my upcoming videos I will show you the real beauty of this playground to improve your coding practices. This is really amazing. And here below in the bottom you can see the console where we get the desired results. So without any further ado, let's get started guys, and here you can see there is a var str is equals to hello playground, right? So let me modify this. Let's give it a name, hello world. Okay, hello world, and this is launching the simulator for now. For the first time when you will launch a new or create a new playground, you will see that it will take some time to launch the simulator, but no worries. So guys, as you can see here, here we have the results of our new created object. Like we have given the value hello world in this object, and here you can see in the very right that here we have the results that what we have stored in the value str. You can see the next line also we have the same result hello world, and the main logic behind using the var is that we can change the value of this str anytime we want. Like now if I give it a value hello Mayank, so the very next time when it will be printed, you will see new results. Like again you can see that here we have the value of str as hello Mayank, and if I try to print it, if I try to print the value of str, it will show me the new value. All right, it is showing me hello Mayank slash n. And what is the significance of slash n here is that if I will give a new statement right below this str, I don't need to include slash n in the code, because slash n is itself in the Swift language. When you print a statement, when I will give a new statement, it will be printed in a new line itself. I don't need to give it a command slash n. So that's the beauty of Swift language. And let's talk about let. So guys, as you can see, we can change the value of str variable, var variable, wherever we want. So it is very easy to manage to change the values of any of the object you created as a var. But what about let? I told you that let is a constant and we cannot change the value of that object again and again. We can give it for the one time only. So what is the use of let then? This is the main question behind it now. So the answer for this is, like, if you have some data which is having some key pair values, so you need to have very specific with the keys. You cannot make mistakes in writing the name of those keys. So what you can do is to make those key objects as let constant and also global to all the classes, so that you can use it easily wherever you want. The main purpose behind making it a let constant is, let object, is that you will not see any error in your program anywhere in the future. And if you talk about var, you may find some problems using var in a huge code. In a huge code base, you will find some mass if you try to use var again and again wherever it doesn't require to be used. So that is the main difference between, like, let me give it str2 equals to hello world. Right, and now if I try to change the value of str2 equals to hello Mayank again, then it will show me an error. Yes, cannot assign value. str2 is a let constant, so that's what I am talking about. You cannot change the value of a let object. So guys, I hope you get the logic behind using var objects and let constants, let constant objects. So that's how we use it, and I hope you understand the concept. And this is very simple, this is very basic first episode of this Swift series, so I hope you guys like it. So guys, if you like this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.